Hello guys, you're welcome back to Naija News and Entertainment. Another housemate has been evicted from the Ultimate Love show today. Doublechris is the second Ultimate Love guest to be evicted from the Ultimate Love finale today. Chris and Chrisville make up the Doublechris couple, and it has been a lovely ride for them. We wish them good luck in their future endeavors, and we are waiting to see their portmanteau game and what they'll go home with. Stay tuned to Naija News and Entertainment to get updates on how the eviction show is going down. Okay, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notifications when the story drops.